There's a lot of winning combos in this world, but who doesn't love thick and creamy? What's going on? It's Kat Tran, the Kitchen Kitty, and today we're gonna thicken up your pesto without thickening up your waistline with Spinach Avocado Pesto. Who doesn't love some extra cream? I'm going to show you a quick 5-minute pesto sauce that you can put together with some spinach and things in your fridge. So let's get started. Super easy. You're going to do 3 cups of spinach, right in a food processor or a blender. 1/4 cup of pine nuts. You can use walnuts too. 2 cloves of garlic. 1/3 cup of parmesan cheese. I have 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, but we're going to taste it later for flavor. 1/2 teaspoon pepper. 1 ripe avocado. Got 1/2 a lemon, going to put the juice in. Optional, I like heat, so I'm just going to put like a 1/2 teaspoon of red chili flakes. And turn it on. It's nice and thick. I'm gonna do it a little pasta, so I'm gonna thin it out with about 2 tablespoons of water. Just like that, you have a lightened up, delicious pesto sauce. For me, the seasoning was bang on. If you want more lemon, add it to your taste. But that is creamy. That is thick. That is delicious. It's silly how freaking good this is. Keep it in the fridge for a few days. Put it on sandwiches. Put it on some eggs. But you know what? I'm hungry. So for myself, I do eat chickpea pasta. It has a lot more protein, but use whatever you like. And with our thick and creamy sauce, who doesn't want a little extra protein? Just boiling some pasta, but in the meantime, I just cut up a garlic clove, a couple mushrooms. I have some tomatoes. I'm freaking starving. So I'm just gonna do something real quick and just a little share. I just put a little oil in the hot pan, put some garlic, put my mushrooms. Just let it do its thing on medium heat for a couple minutes. We're gonna add the tomatoes. Give it a couple minutes. I put a little salt. Sprinkle a little Italian seasoning. A little black pepper. And take my pasta, throw it in. I'm taking some of my pesto. I'm gonna throw it right there. And then just add a little pasta water just to thin out that sauce a little bit. And just stir it up, and that is done just like that. I'm gonna just plate it. I'm gonna throw a little extra parm. Ooh. Ah. Let's give it a shot. A little pasta, a little mushroom, tomato. Mmm. Mmm. The avocado makes it thick and creamy because who doesn't love some extra cream? If you're gonna try the chickpea pasta, it has great texture. That pesto is creamy. It has the salt from the parm. Now that's some thick and creamy pesto corn. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Kat Tran, the Kitchen Kitty. I appreciate you being in the kitchen with me. Don't forget to like, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. I upload each week. Put your comments below and say what's up. And as always, till next time, ciao.